This video will show you how to remove the front bumper on 2004 through 2008 F-150s.
Okay, so the first step of our removal process is going to be to pop the hood and remove the hood latch using a 10mm socket. With your hood latch out of the way, using a 10mm socket and an 8mm socket, you're going to remove your 5 bolts securing the fascia piece to the front end. Now, continuing to use our 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 10mm bolts that hold the headlights in to expose some hidden hardware for the fascia. All right, now with a little bit of pressure, just slide your headlight out. Now unclip your lights, and you can remove your headlight. Now with our hardware exposed, we can get the remaining bolts for the front fascia. Continuing with a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 3 bolts on the inside of the fender here to get the front fascia off. So I know it's hard to see, but there's actually 3 bolts on the inside of this fender, 2 right here in the front that are pointed up. You can get them from behind the headlight, and 1 on the inside of the wheel arch right behind the fender flare. Now you can remove the 1 clip and the 2 nuts that hold the fender flare to the front fascia piece so that you can remove the front fascia from the vehicle. All right, finally using a 10mm socket, you can remove the 2 support brackets on either side. Now we can pop the front fascia off and start working on removing the front bumper. Now we can unhook our fog lights from the front bumper and start removing the nuts. With a 21mm socket, remove the 4 nuts that secure the front bumper to the frame. With the nuts removed, you can pull the front bumper off. If your truck is equipped with tow hooks, you're going to want to use a 15mm socket and remove the 4 bolts that hold the tow hooks to the frame rails.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.